I guess you're here for the house tour. Come on in. Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, hello, my name is Shikha and I make fashion and lifestyle videos here on my YouTube channels. You guys love watching fashion and lifestyle and now a lot of home content. This will be a great space for you. So I would really appreciate if you can take a moment and subscribe. And for today's video, I'm gonna do an empty house tour. Like, can you guys believe I'm doing this? Like, I can't believe that I finally have a house, especially with what is going on in the market. We were able to find a great house for us, which is definitely a huge blessing. I am so beyond grateful to be living in this beautiful space, and you'll be seeing a lot of home content and vlogs here in this space from now on. So I thought, let's do a house tour. This way this space will be familiar for you too. So before getting into house tour, I want to mention few points here. It's a new construction semi-custom house. By that I mean that I could not do a lot of upgrades when it comes to structures, but we have chosen few upgrades here and there. I'll be sharing that with you. So if in case you are someone who is in the process of designing your home, you'll find some inspiration. I will share what upgrades I choose and why I chose those things. So yeah, I think it will be helpful for you. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so as soon as we walk in, we'll see this area. This is entryway. Have our table here. We just picked it up. I haven't even seen, I just saw this online and it looked good to me, so I just got it. Got two plants from Home Depot. They haven't found home yet, but as of now they are here. And then when we turn around here, we have a beautiful huge dining area. I love the ceiling which they did here, and there is a huge window which I really love because lots of natural light comes in. Today it's rainy and gloomy, that's why it's a little dark, but on a bright sunny day it's really beautiful. This was a default light which we got from builder. Yeah, it's just basic plain light. I mean, like, nothing wrong with it, but then if I change this light, it will add a lot of drama to the room. And I really like what they have done in the ceiling here. This definitely adds a little bit of something extra to the room. And over this wall, this is just a giant plain wall, so I'm thinking of doing an accent wall over here. So maybe I'll do some wood trims. Everything is in my head right now. I'm doing like a lot of research because I feel like before doing any DIY project, it's good to do the research to the T, because a lot of things can go wrong. So I'm doing that. I'm in that phase right now, but I'll definitely do an accent wall here because as soon as you walk in, you see this wall. So I feel like if this wall has something extra, it will look really nice. And about the paint color, it's agreeable gray. So this is one of the choices we had. We didn't had like much choices when we were in design studio. We had like 3-4 options. There was no white, so I would love white. Maybe in future we'll definitely paint whole house white, but as of now it's really great neutral gray tone paint. And then when we walk this side, we have our butler's pantry, and this was a part of upgrade. So if in case we didn't choose this will be like a plain empty corner with like plain walls. So I thought it would be just an extra space, and I feel like this just helps in elongating the kitchen. Otherwise kitchen would look really small, but because we have this area going on over here, it definitely adds the illusion of like a bigger kitchen. This is just some of the gifts which we got from our sweet realtor. She's absolutely amazing. She helped us so much, and she's great. If you are in market to get a house, definitely check her out. I will leave her details down below. And then on this side, we have a pantry. Like, I have a huge pantry. I'm so excited. I can keep my stuff here because I usually buy things in bulk. I buy like a lot of pulses and rice. I'm Indian, you guys know. I buy things in bulk, so I feel like this is really great to keep stuff in here. As you can see, this is like plain wire shelves, and in future I would definitely love to have the wooden shelves. I'm planning on doing a lot of DIYs, so if you guys are interested in something like that, definitely look out for that. It's a great size. What else I can ask for? And then we come into the heart of the house, which is kitchen. I'm so excited. For the longest time I wanted a whole white kitchen, and yeah, this is just my dream come true. I cannot say enough about this kitchen. I love space. It's huge. The countertops, lots of cabinets. Oh my god, like you guys, I have lived in apartment for last 5.5 years. When it comes to kitchen are really small in apartment, and it was so hard to keep like my things, but here I feel like I have plenty of space, so I'm super excited. And here we chose the appliances to be here. So initially in the plan we had like 2 ovens. Initially the microwave was here above the stove top, but we chose it to be here, and I feel like this one looks really great. And in the plan had like 2 ovens, and we were like 1 oven is enough, so we chose microwave to be here. We do not have refrigerator as of now because we are still in our apartment. It will be getting delivered on the day we are moving in. And over here we chose this stainless steel hood, and this was also a part of upgrade. We had like 2 options. We couldn't choose a wooden hood, a white wooden hood, and a stainless steel, and I didn't choose the white one because it was so freaking expensive. It was like definitely double the cost of this one, but I feel like this one looks really great because I'll be having like other stainless steel appliances. So we chose a stainless steel refrigerator. As you can see, microwave and oven is already stainless steel, so I feel like this all go really well together, so we did that. And now I have lights here, so when I'm doing my Instagram stories I don't have to put extra lights. So exciting. And for the stove we have like 4 burners. They also had an option of 5 but then I felt like this is enough for us, so I chose that. Absolutely love the fact that this has under cabinets light. So this was also a part of upgrade, and what's super cool about this one is that I can change the temperature. As you can see now it's like white light, and if I want I can make it warm, which is super cool. And this was part of upgrade. So lighting is something which was so important to me because I create content for living. We spend a lot of money when it comes to lighting, so we did this under cabinet lights, and also in the night when you close all the light and then just turn these under cabinet light, it looks really beautiful. About the backsplash, this was also a part of upgrade. We chose this beautiful white tile. And about the grout color, we chose the lighter option. We had 2-3 options of darker and the lighter, and honestly that time I didn't know what I was doing. Like I didn't even know what the hell is grout. So I just went with my instincts, and now it looks really good, so I'm happy with my decision. I could go like darker, but then it will be like too contrasty. I wanted a all white kitchen, and I feel like the grout looks really nice. It's not totally white, I would say it's more towards gray, but then overall it looks really nice. So let's come on here and talk about the sink. This is also a part of upgrade. I chose a bigger sink because I cook a lot and I have like big pots, and I want space for pots because I don't want my pots to be like lying around here and there and it just gets so dirty overall. So I feel like this upgrade was definitely a must when it comes to our family. And this material is ceramic, and I have talked to a few people. They have said that this one is really good. It doesn't stain and get cleaned very easily, so I chose this. The default sink which they were giving us was stainless steel, and it had like a divider in between, and it was just very small. It was like round and some weird shape, and it was small, and I felt like it will not be functional, so it's better to put some money over here because this will make me happy when I'm working every day in the kitchen. So this is the tip which I'll give you when it comes to upgrades. When you are in design center, you are building your house, definitely think about the functionality and what you need. So for example, if you are not someone who cooks a lot, do not cook often in the kitchen, and you do not mind having small sink, I feel like this will not be a right thing for you to spend money on. But for people like me who loves cooking and they have like bigger pots and pan and they use kitchen a lot, I feel like upgrade like this is definitely worth the money. So instead of investing your money over here in the sink, you can definitely go for other areas of house for upgrade where you feel like it's functional for you. So it's very personal. And this is our dishwasher, and again this garbage bin inside, it's also a part of upgrade. I chose this because I feel like this way the space will look cleaner. Otherwise I'll have like a trash can over here, and it is just not a good look. It's like a big black blob here. So I chose this, and I'm really happy about that as well. I feel like this is definitely a great upgrade to do when you are designing your home. Yeah, it's definitely worth the money. And let's talk about the countertop, which is so exciting. I love how this one looks. So we went for quartz, and it's durable, Especially if you are someone who is going for like all white kitchen, I feel like quartz is such a nice material to go for. It's really strong, very sturdy, and the price is also great. We didn't go for like the marble because it's delicate and it can break easily, but the quartz is super durable, and yeah, overall this one looks really great. Okay, so that was all for kitchen. Let's move on to living area. So I love that this is a very open concept house, and kitchen and living area is connected. And another upgrade which we did was these lights. I guess you call this as recess lighting. By default, the builder was only giving us this light with the fan, but we went for these recess lightings because I feel like this adds a lot of light in the space. You guys know light was so important to me, so we went with that. Anyway, I'm going to remove this fan and I'm gonna put a nice chandelier. I feel like chandelier also adds a lot of little something extra to your room. So if you want to upgrade anything in your room, I feel like removing fan and putting a nice chandelier definitely is way to go. Another upgrade which we did was this flooring. So they were giving us carpet as a default, but personally I do not like how carpet looks, so I went for this wooden flooring. I feel like in general wooden flooring is like so easy to take care of. Carpet gets dirty often. It will be just nice in long run. Also, if you have wooden flooring, as per our realtor, she said that it adds to the house value. So if in case we are planning on selling this house in future, this will be a good selling point. As of now, everything is empty. We haven't moved in, and I ordered a nice couch which will not be here for the next 4 months. So yeah, we'll have our old couch which we have in our apartment. But yeah, that was all. Let's come on here. So here is the entry from garage, and then this side we have a guest bathroom. I feel like this is a really great size for the bathroom downstairs. And this is the another upgrade which we did in the shower. It's a walk-in shower. By default they were giving us a tub, like bathtub, but then we did this because both of our parents are old and they have problem in their knees. So I feel like it will be really nice, helpful and handy for them. If they are visiting us, they can use this shower nicely without any problem. Over here I went for all white slab. I feel like white is really great because in future if I want to do anything in walls and everything, I don't have to think about it because it's just plain white. By default they were giving us granite, and personally I feel like granite looks like too busy. If you like granite, go for it, but for our family I feel like this is a great choice. And over here they have given us like the basic lights, which I will definitely change in future. And about this hardware, this is also default which they gave, and I would like a matte black one. And another tip which I would like to share here, if you are someone who wants to upgrade the bathroom, at the same time you don't want to put like a lot of money in, I feel like changing the faucets definitely adds a lot of structure to a bathroom. So yeah, that's a great tip here. Moving on, when we walk here, we have our guest bedroom here. This is a decent size bedroom, and here we have the closet. Again, they have given us carpet here, but the builder was not changing the carpet, so we have hired a contractor which will be changing all the floors very soon in the next coming week before we move. We have a window here from where you can look at our backyard. Plain simple closet, and I'll definitely change that wire rack here as well. Moving on here, Yogi, let's go upstairs. Let's go. He discovered stairs for the first time and he got so excited. You'll see right now. Yogi, let's go. Let's go. He already started playing and we have toys all over. So when you walk in here, there is a bathroom here. It's a very decent size bathroom. The best thing about this house is that every closet, every bathroom is like really well sized, and it doesn't look like really small. He wants to play his crying. Okay, and then when you come on here, we have a tub in here. We have to put like shower curtain, and we have our toilet here. Okay, so this is the bathroom, and let's come here. And here we have our linen closet. Yeah, that's that. And then let's come on here. And we are making this bedroom as Nitin's office. Yeah, there is a window, and again here is a very decently sized closet. There is a lot of storage space in here, and then this wire racks will change and we'll have space for our printer or any like office supplies. And about the carpet here, we are planning on changing it to the wooden floor. It's very nice, easy to maintain, so we are doing it. And this is another tip here, if you want to update house a little, I feel like flooring makes a lot of difference, because yeah, wooden in general looks much better than the carpet flooring. And obviously if you're living in an area which is like super cold, I wouldn't advise that, but we are in Atlanta and it doesn't get a lot cold here, so I feel like wooden will be nice for us. And I absolutely love this bedroom because there is a little corner here, and as you can see, there is a window which lets a lot of natural light in. For the longest time I wanted a meditation corner, and I feel like this area will be perfect. I'm gonna do a big white curtain, and this floor is again going to go, and this will be all wooden area. And here maybe we'll make a home gym. We are not that gym kind of person. We do yoga, we love yoga, so we'll do like couple of yoga mats here, and then maybe some weights or maybe little gym equipment if Nitin wants to. And here we have a closet, and again, as you can see, it's a really decent size closet. Love all the storage space here. The window, which again lets a lot of natural light in. The view is also nice. You can see the pool from here, which I feel is amazing. Then when we walk this side, hallway is carpet, and this is going to be wooden the next week, so I'm so happy about that. When we come on here, this is the media room. Another addition which we did was recessed lighting. So in this room there was only one lighting over here in the middle, but then we put this light and that light as an upgrade. Here we have two windows, which I feel it's amazing. You can get the natural light in, and I can see my yard from here. It's a media room, but we are going to make this as our master bedroom because the master bedroom is huge, and I would like to make that as a studio because it has a huge window and there will be a lot of natural light. You know what, we are going there next. So here when you come, we have our washer and dryer. This is again very decent size. It's huge. Here will be washer and dryer, and then here we can do something else if we want to. We can have like ironing board here, or yeah, lot of potential here. And then again it has like plain wire rack, which I will be definitely changing. For the floors, it's a vinyl flooring and I didn't like it, but then I had no option. As I said, it's a semi-custom house, so there are only some upgrades which I can choose. So they gave here vinyl and we have to go with it. So yeah, and here we have our geyser, so nothing interesting there, but let's come on here. So here is our master, but this is not a master. We are going to make this as our studio. Again, the floor is going to go, it will be wooden soon. Huge window here, as you can see, and today is like all rainy and gloomy. That's the reason why it looks a little dark here, but then when it's sunny, lot of natural light comes in. This is our master bath. Happy with the size, it's really good. So for the countertops, again we have here the quads, which was in the kitchen. And for the tiles, I have to tell you a funny story. Initially I chose grey tiles in the design center, and then after I came back from design center, I was like, did I do it wrong? Did I made a wrong choice? Because the cabinets are white, so initially I thought white and grey would be a nice combination, but I'm so glad that I went ahead and paid them extra and asked them to change the tiles. So we went for like all white tiles, and it has a little bit details of grey, as you can see over here, as you can see, which gives the illusion of marble. So yeah, I really like how this one looks. It's not marble, it's tile, and it just looks all clean and nice, so I love that. Here we have our tub, there is a window, lots of natural light, and here we have walk-in shower. And what else? Here we have our master closet. Again, this one is huge and I love that. I can keep my studio lights in here. Again, this carpet is going to go, and definitely removing this wire racks. Yeah, all right you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. You will see a lot of vlogs in future, I promise. And we still have to move here, it's still very much empty. We'll be moving here in next couple of weeks, so I'll keep you guys posted, and please don't forget to check my Instagram out. I share a lot of things over there as well, over my stories. It's a lot of fun there, so definitely check it out. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.